Hi guys! As promised, this video review about how to changing the stroke wheel on the Mast Magi from the company Dragonhawk. Let's go! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author. So, please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. What is the stroke wheel? This is stroke length our equipment. Inside has two stroke wheels. Diameter is 2 mm and is 3 mm. And key is to replace the stroke wheel. This stroke wheels is a short stroke. Will change this stroke wheel is very simple. The first thing that you have to do is remove the motor from the body. Unscrew and remove. The next step, we are inserting the key. Any side of the key fits. Insert the key into the set screw and remove the screw. We are taking the second stroke wheel and installing it with our screw and key. We are returning the part of body with the motor. We need to get into the clothes inside the case. We are assembling the tattoo machine. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.